Last week, you guys told me what you thought a scientist looks like. I wanted to share your responses with you guys. Cameron said, it's somebody who wears gloves and a science coat and goggles to keep them safe. Cassandra said, a scientist wears a coat and gloves and glasses to learn all about it. Benjamin said, a scientist wears a white coat and goggles and gloves. Serenity says a scientist wears glasses, a coat, gloves, and goggles. Melanie says a scientist wears safety glasses and a coat and gloves. You can check out Miguel's picture right here. We have Azaria's picture. I see goggles on there too. Here's Alex's picture. He said they have different poison, they do experiments, and boom. Over here is Travis's scientist. He's wearing yellow. Elgin says a scientist is a smart person. Jordan H. says a scientist is a smart guy. Jelenia says white coat, yellow coat, white gloves, wacky hair, full of ideas for little kids to learn. Talia says he has a head, hair, pockets, and tools. Jordan L. drew a picture of a scientist with some crazy hair. He said scientists have a lab coat, does science experiments, has goggles and gloves to protect his hands. Patriana says scientists have a white jacket and they make things blow up. And Brody says scientists have big white coats, big clear goggles, hair would stick straight up, cool white shoes, and they carry around a bottle for his inventions. I wanted to talk to you about what a scientist is. I think you guys have a really good description of scientists. A scientist is a person who observes and wonders. Do you ever observe things, look at things, try to figure things out? Or do you ever have questions and wonder about things? Scientists ask questions. You all ask questions every day. Scientists conduct experiments. Have you ever done an experiment? Scientists explore the world around them. Think about when you go to the beach or when you're outside in your yard. Do you ever do some exploring, looking at the rocks, looking at the plants and the animals? Scientists use tools. They listen to ideas and they share ideas. So guess what? You guys all had descriptions of scientists, but actually, you're all scientists too. And you're going to be doing lots of science this year. Even though you're at home, you're going to get to be a scientist.